how to find manage devices on your Elmo app easy and quick. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change manage device how to find manage devices on your Elmo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your application. Once you are here, click on your profile icon. Now all you need to do is click on settings and you're gonna find account and security, which is the second before the last. Click on it. And here you have change phone number and you have manage devices. Click on it. Now you can change you can manage your devices. And this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and help us with a like.